Okay, this is part 2. So what you're gonna need is a Q-tip, a straw. Well, you don't need a straw if you have compressed air, and some cocktail sticks. Oh, that's what they're called. Sorry, you can see my feet, by the way. Okay, so basically to get all of this dirt that's left over, you're gonna use either I have a Q-tip, these, or your tool that you opened it with. Okay, so I just need to get the front off now, so I'll be right back. Okay, so technically, actually, never mind, you need to get this screw out before you can do the front. I don't have a screwdriver handy, so I'll do that later. I suggest you clean out these, probably this, and this. Oh, you can see me in the camera, that's quite cool. Yeah, clean out the buttons and stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blow into all of these holes with a straw just to get all of this stuff out. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you now how to put stuff back on. This controller doesn't work, so yeah. Do this on a controller that works, and then maybe it will do something different. Okay, so this bit goes onto this bit. So basically what you want to do is you just want to try to just jam it on, really. I just got some weird dust stuff from like 4 years ago on my finger, that's gross. Yeah, so basically all you do is you just need to match it up to the sides, like this, so it looks like that, and you just press it on, okay? And do that the same with the other one. I will demonstrate with this one actually. So, go like this. Give me a second, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. Not even using the right hand. Right, okay. 3. Press. Okay. Still a bit loose down here. Press. If you're doing this on a controller that works, you should have a nice clean controller to play video games with. Thank you for watching.